Hi wonderful people, today I'm going to take you to day trip to one epic waterfall here in Bali. This vlog has a special magic in it because I will show you remote areas, countryside life and traditional Indonesian village, so keep on watching. Here we go, starting our day and ready for a long drive. I use Google Maps and headphones for navigation, that's how I'm able to get around. The road will take 1 hour 12 minutes, so let's go! I'm on a half of my way and I'm going through an amazing place with some farming lands. It's not a rice field, it's like a real farms where I saw they grow like even flowers and corn and some vegetables. So I just stopped for a minute to just look at this place. I like to be away from the towns and all of these crazy things in Seminyak and Chingu. Here's one little bird farm. See a lot of ducks over there and some fields. I'll show you guys. So they use this huge bamboo for these kind of Indonesian decorations. I don't know exactly the meaning of this decoration. If you know, if you're from Indonesia, you can write me in the comments. But I really like them. Just found little cute warung on my way. Just wanted to get a drink, maybe some food. This is my ayam bakar, fried chicken, rice, and then they give you a little water to wash your hands because if you might want to eat your chicken with your hands, which is really nice after driving a bike. And I got my juice. The road to get here was absolutely beautiful, and here is a bit crowded, but not that crowded, so let's see what we can find there. So many tourists here. They are travel with a guide, but I'm hardcore. I do everything by myself. Okay, this is already beautiful, but we have to take a water walk to go to the main waterfall. The water is quite cold, oh my god. It's even not enough light here because we are in between two stone walls basically. I can confirm that Tukad waterfall is one of the most beautiful in Bali. It has easy way to access, has nice infrastructure, and the landscape of waterfall is so incredible. It's a unique creation of nature. It is not easy to take pictures here because the moisture in the air and camera gets wet, gets blurry. I'm not scared about my phone because the iPhone is waterproof, but my camera gets wet and then I want to give it a time to get it dry. Yeah, it's pretty wet over here. Just sitting in my nest and I finished my coffee. The weather is changing, so we need to move. This is Bali, so always need to be ready for the rain. Needs to be ready to get wet. But I'm wet. 30 minutes away from that waterfall, here is another place to visit and it's called Penglipuran Traditional Village. Quite a lot of local people here and they took pictures with me. Sometimes I refuse to take picture with people, but they're kind of looking okay. It can be fun sometimes. It's interesting. So they invite me to the traditional home. It's very simple, but it's cool at the same time. So this is a traditional house. How old is this house?
Long time. 300.
300 years.
Yes.
That's very cool. I actually bought something from this family. I usually don't buy souvenirs and stuff, but as I'm here and this is a special place and I like those people, so I want to support them, so I bought something from them and we had a great time together. This is big one. This is so big. So they have roosters. Oh, this is coffee. Okay. Yeah, that's real coffee. Oh, oi. Sorry. Oh, actually they're cute. How you doing, guys? Doing okay? go back home, but I made it. I'm so tired right now, and I'm in a local food court, just having my dinner. Yeah, what a day! We had a waterfall, we have nice food, we had a village, we had a rain, we have a crazy driving situation. So I really enjoyed this day today. Look at how dirty it is. Oh my god. Thank you guys for following me on this adventure, and don't forget to subscribe and please share my content because I'm working on watching hours on this channel because I want to get it monetized, and some more new vlogs coming soon from Bali. So see you in the next one. Bye bye.